Hello and welcome to the final SQL statement video, which is going to be based around updating different records. So as you've probably been well versed now, if you've been watching the previous videos, students should be able to create simple statements that extract, add and edit data stored in databases. So we've already looked at extracting information of the database with select, adding information to the database using insert into, and now we're going to be looking at editing, and we're going to be using the update statements. So the update statements allows you to change the content of already existing fields within the database. So for example, changing someone's name, their age, their hair color, something which would normally want to be changed. So here is the syntax for you. Keyword at the beginning obviously is going to be update, and then we're going to be using setting, this set here, for different columns for what we want to change to where column equals value. So this where column equals value here is going to be making all these changes based on a particular column value. So for example, if you wanted to change everybody's job title to wheelie bin cleaner, whose name is Simon, you could have where column equals value, so where name equals Simon. But that's not going to be that helpful. So what would happen 9 times out of 10 is that this column equals value would be looking here at the ID of a primary key, purely because you want to be able to change things based for each person's record. So here we've got a nice update statement. So we're going to update users, set age 24, job equals administrator, where ID is 4. And again, I know I keep going on about it, but notice usage of quotation marks for words, areas not used for words. So here we're going to be updating users, set age 24, job administrator, where ID 4. So we're going to look at where ID is 4. We're going to set the age to 24 and the job to administrator. Okay. We can update users. We can set name to Dave, where ID is 1. So at the moment, ID 1 is Simon, but now it's going to be changed to Dave. You have to be very, very, very careful when using the update statement. There isn't, in most database environments, an undo button. If you update something, it is updated permanently. This is where you can have a lot of errors happen in a relational database, especially if you've got linked fields working with each other. So for example, if you miswrote it and you said update user set name equals Dave, where ID equals 15, it would do it straight away. If you update user set name as Dave, and you used a field, for example, such as age, which had loads of different ages in there, it would update all of them. There's also something you need to be aware of, which is cascade updates, where it updates it in multiple sections of the database. That is not good, and it can cause you an awful lot of problems. I hope these SQL videos have been helpful for you and think that you've gotten something out of it. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, share, let everybody know about these hopefully fantastic videos. And once again, if you have any questions at the bottom, feel free to fire away. Thank you very much.